What's up, guys? Another day in the garage. Today, as I said in the last video, be working on the interior. What I'll be working on is, here, I'll show you guys. It's door panels. I started this project like months ago, but then I realized, why the hell am I working on the interior when I had to get the freaking car running? So I stopped. But as you can see, how the panels are. Well, how I got it with the whole interior, and it was beat to shit. Well, this one is still beat to shit. You can see that. And this is the one that I finished. This is the first project that I did on these door panels, and it is at least, I'd say 90% finished. I still got to drill out the holes right here for the clips, and then I got to add these little mounting tab clip points right here to that, and then I can mount that in. Came out pretty good, you know, first time doing this and learning. But yeah, so the task today is to start working on this side so I can finish this project up, knock that, get that out of the way, and go on and continue the rest. I got another board, my second board right here. There we go. What I'm going to do is cut this one in half or to size, and from there I'm going to start laying out the US panel, because the JDM one and the US ones are different, slightly small differences to it. So since mine is a US spec Starlet, I'm gonna take apart one of my spare panels and then lay it on here and outline and trace it and cut it to shape, and then I'm going to lay the JDM one over it so I can get the full cutouts for the compartments and stuff. So that's how I'm going to do it. Right now what I'm going to do is just cut this board in half, take apart one of the US panels and lay it on there and trace it, and then start cutting some parts, and then I'm going to continue the task tomorrow. So let's take apart this factory panel so I can see how much I have to cut off of this board right here. I got this at Home Depot. No info on it, but yeah, it's a little bit thicker than that, so it's a little bit harder to cut through and to fit stuff in, but it's doable. I did it on the other panel right there. So let me go grab one of these panels and then start taking it apart, laying it and tracing it. Let me see which one it is. Yeah, I think this one is it. So it should be this panel. Already took it apart, I guess. Put that to the side. This is the JDM panel. As you can see, that whole cutout right there for the compartment in the center, right here. So, I guess I can toss this one out. Actually, I'll put it to the side because maybe it might be something else I need to outline. So here you go, the JDM panel. So it should be that. Well, it should be right. First, let me take these off before I lose these. I'm not going to use them. I got some other clips I'm going to be using. All right. Now that's off. I can take off all of this stuff right here. The staples. And get everything all lined up and stuff, and I can just figure that out. Guess what? I left the tools that I needed in my van, and my van is not here. So I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. Have my stuff from the van, and I'll be able to do more tomorrow in the rest of this video, or this part of the video. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm sorry for the little short segment. I thought I had all my tools here, but I used it for the van to do some stuff, and I left it in there. So I'm gonna grab that later today, and then we'll take care of this tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Right here, and so you can see it's missing the whole corner. I don't know if it's this off of the JDM one or something like that. Looks like it's the missing piece. So it's going to be a US panel, but then it's going to have the cutout for the JDM insert, because the US Starlets don't have those inserts in the back seats. So that's what I'm going to do now, is outline this. I'm going to use some of this old tape to just tape down this panel. It's really worn out. Now is to figure out how to cut this section right here. I think I just have to drill a hole, shove it through, and just cut it right through. So I didn't record the rest of me finishing up the door panels, but I got the panel done right here. This is the other one. So what I'm gonna go do is put these in test fit, because I never trimmed the little clip tabs that goes in it. I don't know if I'm gonna be putting in those how would you say it, those little tabs that snaps in. I was thinking of just putting magnets on the back of them and just sit them there, you know. Sure, that'll work. Yeah, it'll definitely work. So it'll be fine. Maybe along the sides is where I'll put the clips at, because I can see there's some holes. There's some holes right here. Let me go into the car and show you guys. These are holes I'm talking about right here. Along the sides. That has clips. I gotta still drill those holes onto the panels and then put those clips in. Along with that side as well too. But right now I'm gonna just put the panel in this tab right here. Like a magnet would do. Magnets should probably work somewhere around there. I gotta figure it out. Because with the panels I have, it's gonna cover and overlap this. So yeah, let's see. Gotta climb into this little car and try to figure it out. So I've got this compartment right here to hold that in. So I gotta go unscrew that, take that out, and then measure this up right here. This is gonna go overlap right there. If anybody has this compartment thingy right here that goes in there, please let me know. In that color, please. If not, I'll take whatever color. But so far it fits. I just have to unscrew this right here. I don't have the flathead in here. I mean Phillips. So I'm gonna go grab that, and we're gonna test fit the rest right here and see what's up with those holes. So I gotta drill those in. Got the door panel in. This part is hard right here. I don't know how to get these little creases out, because up here you guys can see it's already torn, and it's like a little short right here, so it won't go under this seal. So gotta figure that out. I'm probably gonna steam it and then strain it out, moisturize it or whatever it is, and probably just gonna steam it to get it to be more flat. Plus I need to clean it up too, as you can see all these little marks and stuff. But panel's in. Almost have complete interior. I'm looking for all these rear panels back here in maroon. Actually, I'll probably just keep it black. It's kind of cool. And then everything is like tan up front. Kind of hard to find parts for this. But I'm gonna do that side now and see how that goes. The tabs in right here. Here too. Now just got to tuck this in under the seal and mount this back up, and we're gonna be good. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Look at that. Slowly getting there. I gotta get out of here. God, that sucks. Oh shit. I don't know if you can see me, but just had some breakfast at this place right here, Old Town House Restaurant in Ocean Beach. I'm gonna drive over to the cliffs right now, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little look at the interior. So let's go cruise. It's really packed where I usually park at, but I'm here. Nice little view at the ocean and the ocean. But yeah, here's more light and you can see it better, but these are with the new door cards. As you can see, looks a lot better. Interior's not as far from done, but you know, I got the carpets in, got the seats in, and the seat belts. All I need to do next is get maroon seat belts for both sides. So I got tan ones right here, and then I have a spare dash I want to get painted. Mine's tan. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this part down here though. So yeah. Oh, and also get different passenger seat. If I can find a leased passenger seat, I would be so happy, but I have not seen those before for sale, but I've seen photos of them. Or we'll get like a cool little bride recliner. That'd be sick. And then maybe change my bucket out. Yep. Probably gonna cruise back to the garage and end this video, because I gotta go to work. It's my day off, but I got a gang of shit to do. I guess let's cruise back. I don't have my, actually I do have my mount. I should put the mount on right now. Downside issue, that I have right now, the seatbelt won't retract because I think something is jamming it from retracting, so fucking loose seatbelt's a little annoying. But let's go. You guys hear that exhaust leak that I still have? Fuck it. In this clip, I need a better mount, or in-car mount, or I should mount it my GoPro. The image stabilization's better than that. See you guys at the garage. All right, guys, back in the garage now. Woo. Back. Showed you guys the interior already, but still not done. Well, I'm done with those door panels, door cards. My trunk won't open. Give me a second. I need some stronger trunk shocks, so I might have to look into that, upgrade them to something really strong, because this one is, it falls. It's really sensitive. But yeah, door panels in. I'm so happy. Look at that. Damn. These creases kind of bug me a little bit. I gotta figure that out. Probably put some padding behind it, push it out, because I had padding before, but it was all torn up. If you guys saw when I took it apart, I was peeling everything off. But yeah, next up is cargo cover on. Put these speakers on the cargo cover because my speakers are just sitting down there. This is off my Corolla wagon, the cargo panel. Raising Cane's dog, but interior's getting there. It's getting there. The cage, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Don't know what I'm doing next. Probably some more KP stuff, and then super stuff. Or gonna not do KP stuff and do super stuff. A lot to do with this car. But yeah, you guys already know. Just subscribe and then hit that bell notification so you guys will get updated on new videos. Like I said, I'm gonna be uploading more. I got a lot more time to work on the cars, so I got a deadline for this one, kinda personal deadline. So I'm gonna be pushing everything out on here on the Supra, and should be good to go. Till next time, guys. Peace.